guys? Prosper FX here, and we're back with another one. It's been a while, guys, but I'm back. We back. Let's do what we do best, guys. Lately, I'll be focusing on currencies. There's quite a lot of people who are still indulging currencies, that are still trading currencies. Yeah, it's quite a lot of people that like currencies for some reason. So I'm more of an indice person. But yeah, I'll be posting about indices soon. Don't worry, those are coming up. Those are quite interesting. But this is more accommodating your currency pairs. So yeah, guys, my goal is to provide everyone with ease of access to the market. Not ease of access, but ease of competing in the market. Just making it easy for everyone to trade, be more accommodating. That's what a lot of people lack. Yeah, guys. So I want to show you a strategy for your phone that you can use on MT4. Very basic. I've been testing it for the last couple of weeks, and it is a great ass strategy. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's one of the best strategies on a mobile device because it's so simple. You don't have to be doing all these fancy smashy things. Straightforward, guys. Straightforward. Yeah. So this is what we do. Let's just get to it without wasting anyone's time. This is what we do, guys. The first thing you have to do is make your charts a little bit more basic. You need to make your charts a little bit more basic, and meaning if you have indicators, you're gonna have to remove all of that. You can also remove your grid line, but I still have mine here. I'm gonna keep it because I prefer having my charts with the grid, just so I can focus more on the numbers on your right hand side, on your y-axis. So yeah, I tend not to take those out. So yeah, guys, first thing you want to do is, this is your step one. Sorry about that. Step one, go into your settings, change the color of your charts. Try to make all your bull and all your bear candles the same color, guys. Your bear up, bear down, bull, bear, all the same color. You see, bear up, bear down, bull, all the same color. So I'm just going to use black because I just like using black. That's all I did. Then I left everything else as is. You can use whatever color you like, guys, as long as it's all the same color. So this is what you're gonna do, guys. You need to use your 1 hour time frame, 1 hour charts. And yeah, so this is what you're gonna do, guys. You're only gonna need to use your square or your rectangle. That's the only tool you're gonna have to use, really. No other indicators or anything. So let's get to it. Shapes, favorite objects, the square or the rectangle, whatever you want to call it, that shape. So what you want to do, guys, is look for your M and your W patterns. M and your W. Guys, don't neglect this. I know 1,000 people have said this, but it truly does work. But what I want to show you is it's much more identifiable. It can be more identified, is what I'm trying to say. Excuse me, guys. You can identify it more using a black chart or a single color chart. Do you understand what I'm saying? Look at this, guys. Look at this W pattern here. See? Right there. What you should do, guys, is change the color. Don't confuse yourself. Use 4 pixels. Change the color to, if it's a W, change the color to green. 4 pixels. Look at that. Plain and simple. Very nice. Very nice. Take most especially highlights the like the apexes of the W pattern, the V's, this part here. This is the most important part, where the actual turning points are, right here. So one thing you should notice, guys, most of the time your left dip is a little bit lower than your right dip. So if you're gonna put your stop loss, don't put a stop loss under your last dip. Put it under your first dip. Or what you can do is put your stop loss outside the box, and then you just buy anything within the box you buy. This is where if you're a person that likes to stack your trades, you can stack them in the box. As soon as the chart leaves the box, you stop your stacking. You stack, 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 then you let it go. Let it go. Normally aim for like 10 pips, guys. Don't be crazy. 10 to 20 pips. This is not it's more of a reversal strategy, not necessarily a trend following strategy, but it's yeah, as I said, reversal strategy. M and W patterns, guys. M and W patterns. And then here's another one. Just a few more examples. There's another one right here. An M. An M. And guys, you need to know your currency pairs. You need to know which pairs that really produce quite a lot of M's and W's, guys. Not all pairs work the same. So quite a lot of Euro pairs, guys. Euro pairs, they tend to make a lot of M's and W's, triple bottoms, triple tops, head and shoulders, all those good shapes. Euro pairs, guys. I'm telling you, take that and practice it. You'll see for yourself. Yeah, guys. So as you can see here, here's your M, and as I said, what happens? Your your first leg of your M, it's always higher. Your first dip or leg of your W is always lower. So every time you put your stop, you put it below the first leg. Here, the stop could have been triggered. You could have been stopped out here, but you could have re-entered here. Could have re-entered and went with the markets. If you're gonna do it on, it's much better on your laptop because you can use a trailing stop, trailing stop, trailing stop. I'm sure you guys know what are trailing stops. So yeah, guys, a few more examples. Here's another one right here. This is a bottom, triple bottom, or you could just keep it as an M right here. I mean, keep it as a W. Keep it as a W. So yeah, guys, there's quite a lot of. You see this? This is a stop hunt. That means if you see this, it means like that you know what you're doing. If this hits you a lot, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it means you know what you're doing, and they're trying to fight you. They're trying to take you out. So to avoid stop hunts, guys, you really have to push your SL far, push your stop loss. You have to push it really far, guys. I'll give you another method on how to avoid getting stopped out. If you don't like using stop losses, guys, what I can say, whatever amount you're trading with, let's say you have $100 accounts, split the accounts. If you're willing to lose $10 in one trade, open an additional account and only fund it with $10, or just transfer that money to the $10 to the other account and trade with that account without a stop loss. That's the same thing. Risk management right there. When that account blows, you only lost $10 instead of losing your whole $100 on just one trade because you got stopped out, because a stop hunt got you. You gotta be smart about this, guys. So here we didn't have an entry, it reversed. We have like it's not a good looking head and shoulder, but there was no entry. M and W pattern was not given. Here's an M right there. Here's a W, I mean. So yeah, W, shoop, shoop, shoop. Then it went down a little bit. Then it went all the way up. But for you already entered somewhere around the box, inside the box or outside the box. The best entries are always when the second leg pushes out the box again. So you aim for the last leg, you wait for it to go in, and the following candle to push up. Push up. If it closes, that's the best time to enter. The best time to enter, guys. The best time to enter. Try to avoid this one wasn't so bad, but try to avoid legs that are higher than the other. That are just the right leg when it's quite high than the left. try to avoid that. That normally means you're in an uptrend. So I try to avoid this by all means. But yeah, guys, yeah, that's quite it. That's quite it. Here's another M pattern right here. Yeah, that's all that is to it, guys. Let me know how you feel, and yeah, we can discuss it in the comments. I'll make another video. So yeah.